In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a video call in Slack. If you're new to Slack or you've mostly been using it just for text messages, starting a video call might not be immediately obvious. Slack uses a feature called a huddle for quick audio and video conversations, and once you know where to look, it's very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to start a video call using huddles, and I'll share a very few helpful tips so you feel comfortable using this feature in your day-to-day work. First, open Slack on your computer. You could use either the desktop app or the browser version. The steps are the same. Look at the list of channels on the left side of your screen. These are the different spaces where you and your teammates communicate. Choose the channel where you want to start your video call. This could be a team channel, a project channel, or even a direct message with just one other person. Click on that channel to open it. Once the channel is open, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Huddle. This is Slack's built-in tool for quick, informal conversations. It usually has a small headphone or waveform icon next to it, depending on your version of Slack. Move your mouse over that area so you can see it clearly. Now, to start your call, simply click on Start Huddle. The moment you do this, Slack will open a small Huddle panel, usually at the bottom or side of your screen, and by default, Huddle often starts as a video call. Click on Start Video Call and input your sources, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our other tutorials and drop a like if this video helped you.